Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to insert header, footer, and page number in MS Word. Well, guys, MS Word is a text document creation tool, and in a text document creation tool, header, footer, and page number is pretty important because you might be creating ebook, you might be creating any document where we need header and footer, obviously, right? So to insert these things, we have to follow the steps given in this particular video. So follow this video till the end and let's get into our MS Word software. So guys, as you can see, I'm in my MS Word software and this is the dummy content in my MS Word, right? So this is simple. Let's say I've created a document. Now I want to add header, footer, and even a page number in this file, right? So how I can do that? For that, you have to go to this insert tab, and insert tab you'll be able to see this header and footer option, right? Here we do have three options: header, footer, and page number. So I'm gonna teach you all these three things, right? So let's start with header option. If I click on this header option, there will be a small menu, right? So here in this small menu we do have multiple header options which you can choose, right? This is the simplest one, right? Then we have the three column one, then we have some design. As you can see here, this one is the Austin. The name of this header is Austin. So here's some few designs options as well. So whatever you want, you can choose it according to your preference. Let's start with the simplest one. Let's use this Austin, right? Now as you can see, the header has been added. Now here you can add the name of the document. Let's say I'm writing Marketing Fundas Global, right? So this is the name I have given to this header. Now let me just go back to insert tab, right? Now if I scroll a little bit down to another pages, you'll be able to see that the header has been applied in all the pages, right? And that's what the work of header is, right? It can automatically apply to all the pages, right? And the same text are appeared in front, basically in every page, right? Now if I go back to again header and footer tab, basically this is the option if you are into header and footer options, right? Now if you want to change the design, just you have to click on this header and footer option, header option, and you have other options as well. Then if you want, you can go online and choose few more designs. Otherwise you can edit your header as well, right? Basically you can do some few extra things like adding an image. Let's say you want to add an image into your header, right? So for that you have to click on this pictures option. Otherwise you can go with online picture option as well, right? Now you can choose any picture available in your computer because I haven't chosen online method. So let's I do have a thumbnail of my video. Let's insert this one, although I should add a logo, but this is just for demo purpose, right? So I'm just adding this, and this is how you can add a image into your header, right? So I hope you understood. And if I go to another pages, you'll be able to see in every pages the header image has been applied, right? So that's how you can apply image into your header. Now you might be thinking that if I want to keep my header in different, basically keep my header different in different pages, you can do that as well, but there is some limitation. Like you can choose different first page. Basically in if you choose this one, you'll be able to change the first page only, right? Let's say here I'm writing MS Word full course, right? This is the first page. Now if I go to second page, you'll be able to see the old text, which is Marketing Fundas Global, Marketing Fundas Global. So the first option is this, like you can just change the first page of your document, right? Then we do have second option, which is different odd and even pages. So this is the odd one. This is the first number page. So obviously one is odd number. So in odd number, we let me change the again marketing. Oh, sorry, MS word full course. This is the word I have written in odd page, right? Now if I go to even page, here I'm writing marketing fundas global, right? So this is the even page. Now if I go to odd, here you will be able to see MS Word full course, then here you will be able to see marketing fundas global. So this is how odd and even works, right? So that's how you can do the things. Now we do have footer option. To insert the footer option, obviously if you can, basically either you can click here, otherwise you can go to insert option, and here you also get the footer option, right? Same option. Now click on this, and this is the footer options available in front of you, right? Let's say I'm using this one, 3 column. If I click on this, as you can see, the footer has been applied in this document. Now here we do have 3 column options, obviously, where you can write the document created by, then the signature or the date, whatever you want, you can add into your footer as well, right? So as you can see, and same option comes with the footer as well, right? Even you can add the image into your footer as well. You can add date and time if you want. You can add the document information as well, like file name, file path, author. You just have to click on these options and the option will be appeared, right? As you can see here, the author name is written over here, right? So that's how these option works. You have to explore a little bit in order to find the options best suitable for you, right? I can just show you the things that how these things are working. Now we do have the page number option, right? For that, let me just do one thing. Let me close the header and footer option, because people don't know how to remove header and footer, right? For that, you have to go to first header, and here you'll be able to see remove header. Once you remove the header, then you have to click anywhere else where you want, right? Now the header has been gone, right? And same goes with the footer as well. Go to first, click on the footer. Now go to footer option, then here you have to remove footer, right? Now either you can click anywhere in the text, otherwise you can click on this footer option 2 times rapidly, and the option is gone, right? As you can see, footer and header both are gone. Now let's insert the page number. Click on this, and we do have these options available. The first one is top of the page, bottom of the page, page margins. Basically it will add a page number in the margin of your page. Then we have current position. Basically wherever your cursor basically will be hovering, the page number will be added there, right? Now let's start with the bottom of the page, which is more meaningful, or you can say obvious, right? So let's use this accent bar. It is looking nice. As you can see, this is the first, then we do have second, third, fourth, fifth. So that's how this page number works. If you want, you can change it to any option you want. You can go to the top of your page. Right now it is in the footer, right? Let me just select the top. Now it is in the top of the page, right? Then we have bottom options, page margins. If I click on page margins, let's say this one, now it is here, right? You might have seen many ebooks where the page number is written here, right? So that's how you can use these options, header, footer and page number. I hope you learned from this video. I hope you understood the process, and if you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, don't forget to share this course with your needy friends who want to learn MS Word. And we do have MS Excel course, we do have MS PowerPoint course in our YouTube channel playlist. You can check out those courses as well. And with that said, I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.